Good morning, students. Today our topic is to be the second chapter, that is polynomials. Polynomial chapter, we have to study the polynomial chapter. So, what is polynomial? We have to show that what is polynomial. हमें ये पता करना है कि पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है। ये एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है जिसमें वेरिएबल होते हैं, एक्सपोनेंट्स होते हैं और वो कंबाइन होते हैं। वेरिएबल और एक्सपोनेंट्स which are combined together in the form of addition, subtraction and multiplication, but not in the form of division. वो form of division में कभी नहीं होते हैं। The exponent can only be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. A polynomial cannot have infinite number of terms. तो जो polynomial होता है उसकी infinite number of terms नहीं होती है। As you see, 5xy square minus 3x plus 5yq minus 3, it is a polynomial. But if you can see 3x by raised to power minus 2, this is not a polynomial because the exponent is in negative. That's why it is not a polynomial. Again, this is in divide. This is again not a polynomial. Then हम कह सकते हैं polynomial is an expression made with constant variable and exponents which are combined using addition, subtraction and multiplication but not division. The exponent can only be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. A polynomial cannot have infinite number of terms. Okay. Then different type of polynomials. On the basis of number of terms, these are divided into different types of polynomial, like monomial polynomial having one term called mononomial, that is 4x, and example 4x, 8y, 6z, this. And the binomial polynomial having two terms, these, for example, 2x plus 6, 25y minus 25. Trinomial polynomial having three terms, example 2x minus x cube plus 25x, and the x cube plus 5x square minus 3. And we have to ask 2x minus 5, which type of polynomial this? This is the binomial. That very well. These are the binomials. Now, on the basis of degree, constant polynomial having degree 0, example 32 minus 5, these are the, and the linear polynomial which having degree 1, जिसमें आपकी जो आपके वेरिएबल्स होते हैं उनकी डिग्री काउंट की जाती है। यहाँ पर वेरिएबल्स की डिग्री जितनी होगी उस डिग्री का वो पॉलिनोमियल होगा। x की डिग्री यहाँ पे 1 है कि x रेज़ टू पावर 1 है, which means this has a linear polynomial having degree 1. Quadratic polynomial having degree 2. X square, you can see that 2x square, this is the highest degree and the highest solution. Also, this is, you know, that how many solutions have a polynomial? The maximum number of degree has a maximum number of solution. If the degree is 3, then the solution is 3. If the highest degree is 1, then the solution is 1. If the highest degree is 4, then the solution is 4. Now, highest degree is 3, the solution is 3, that is cubic polynomial having degree 3. As you can see the example, y quadratic polynomial having degree 4, solution 4. Okay, you have 4 solutions of x. Zeros of polynomial. A real number alpha is a zero polynomial fx if f alpha is equal to 0. For example, fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11 minus 6. So this is f of 2. तो अब हम इसमें f of 2 पुट करते हैं, अगर 0 हमारा आंसर आता है, देन हेंस जो हमारा ये 2 होगा वो 0 होगा f of x का. You can see the answer is 0. Hence 2 is a 0 of f of x. The number of zeros, now polynomials. The number of zeros of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Therefore, a quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros and a cubic has 3 zeros. You know that very well. Now, relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Now, let a and b be the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. We have the general equation. Then the sum of zeros, we have sum of zeros hota hai a and plus b, which is equal to minus b. And in terms of the coefficient zeros, this is the in terms of the zeros, these are the sums of a plus b. And in terms of coefficient, is the minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. This is minus coefficient of x, that is the coefficient of x is b, and minus b upon coefficient of a, that is x square, that is the coefficient of x square is a. Now minus b upon a, here is the answer. Now product, that is a into v, product of zeros a into v karenge in terms of this constant term upon coefficient of x square. In terms of coefficients, these are these. Now relationship between zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. Let a, alpha, beta and gamma be the zeros of the polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx. Then the sum of zeros a plus beta, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b, and the minus coefficient of x square upon is equal to minus of coefficient of x cube. Then this means this is a beta plus beta gamma and alpha beta is equal to c, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. Now product of zeros alpha beta gamma is equal to minus b, that is minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Now sum of zeros alpha plus beta is here, this. Now find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are these. So we know that sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. And the product of zeros, that is 4 into 1 is 4, that is c1. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 1 as polynomial ax is this. We are putting the values of a, b, c, and the answer is this. Okay. Thank you. And then this is the basic. Again, one more video is on same topic will be added tomorrow. You can see, and the PDF content will be provided on the Telegram channel, and the link of the Telegram channel is in the description. You see the link of the channel. You can subscribe, comment, share. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me directly in the inbox of this. Also, you can contact me on the Instagram. Thank you very much. आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी कल करेंगे हम.